Hello everyone, my name is Roman and I am now back. I finished my first year of college and you know what, I enjoyed it a lot. It was kind of crazy, which is why I eventually didn't make videos. But now it's the summer and I decided, hey, you know what, I kind of want to make some more videos, play around, have some fun, video myself because I want to. And so yeah, so you know, mostly what I have on this computer is Overwatch, so it's been a little while since I played some Overwatch. I mean, definitely played a lot, well, with you guys not seeing me. I had some fun with that last Uprising event, but let's get in, play some Overwatch. Let's just do some quick play. And man, you know, true, I'm off college, but now I'm back home without like the Ethernet cable, so running this off Wi-Fi, wonder how it's going to feel. Might get kind of laggy. But yeah, gonna play some Overwatch and it's gonna be fun. And you know, who knows, maybe I'll like eventually turn this PC into something more than just an Overwatch machine. Which, actually, you know what, I got The Sims 3. I mean, it's not The Sims 4, but hey, The Sims 3, it was like on a Steam Christmas sale. It was really cheap. And you know what? It's still pretty fun. I had fun playing around with it. Maybe I'll make a series out of like some characters. Alright. Ooh, that's kind of loud. Or maybe I just can't hear myself very well. Oh yeah, I actually have the voice channel because my college blocks ports. Let's do some Junkrat. Yeah. I have the Scarecrow now. Hello! There is a sniper apparently, and apparently they're quite snipey, I am hearing. That is our sniper. Whoa! Okay. I walked into that one, but I mean, you know, it's... One, it's quick play. Two, it's just, you know, the... I don't know, what do they even call this? I'm bad with words. Ah, I got sniped. You know, it's just warm-up, having fun. Okay, now we're in an actual game. But actually, yeah, I made a Sims family, and they were... Ooh, defend, okay. But yeah, like I was saying, my college blocks ports, and so I can't. No tank and no healers. I'll go Orisa.
Your safety is my primary concern.
But with my college blocking ports, then I can't access the voice channel because the voice channel is one of the ports they block. Which, you know, kind of sucks. But I'm just going to be playing quick play, so I'm not really going to be talking anyway.
Attackers incoming. Defend objective A.
Oh yeah, actually, so on The Sims, like I was saying, I made a family that was basically my Fire Emblem people. Warthog. Oh yeah. Do we have a healer? We don't have a healer. Okay, that means I gotta find a health pack. Gosh darn it. Go to quick play. No one does healers. No one takes it seriously. But like, I want to seriously have fun. Like, because that's the thing. For me, competitive isn't really fun per se, because it's competitive. At first, I thought that was Roadhog again, and I was like, how did you get up there? This is Roadhog. Okay, someone's pouring damage into me. Yay! Took out the Bastion. Good. Gold eliminations? That's surprising. I really hardly have done anything, at least I feel like it. I must have been hiding. Oh look, hi Winston! Oh, they're gonna go up there. Hi, Winston. Hi, Zephron. Oh, okay, I'm dead. Goodness, where was everyone? Probably off blocking flankers, I guess. Oh well.
System restart initialized.
Let's go back. What happens a lot in those Sky Industries is that, like, you lose point A at, like, the last minute, and then they have, like, 5 minutes for point B. And usually you hold those 5 minutes because point B is a pretty easy hold, but it's still kind of annoying. Is there still a Junkrat around here? No! No high noon! Oh boy. Well, I got the McCree. That was a quick death though. Didn't do much. I still have golden limbs. I shouldn't have golden limbs. Goodness, I'm the tank. I'm just that good. No, not really. Like I've been talking about, people don't really take quick play seriously, which I guess, you know, that's I guess the point, is just to have fun. I guess, you know, they still try to win.
Please move behind the barrier.
Oh, he's above us. I can hear him. He's trying to get pulls from above. Hi, Junkrat.
Damage output increased.
No one can hide from my
They get him. Okay, they got him. I see a Bastabon. Hi, Bastabon.
For your safety, please move behind the barrier.
Thank you, Mercy. Oh, someone did switch to a healer. That's good.
Stop.
Wait. Okay. Okay, this is a bad spot. I'm on my own. Yeah. Okay. I don't have gold limbs anymore. That's fair. I'm doing pretty bad. I did not mean to do that. Oh. Thank you, soldier. Yeah, see? Now we're doing good. I mean, not me specifically, but
Never die.
the team. Moving well together.
30 seconds remaining.
But I need to focus more on being a tank.
Combat simulations indicate high probability of victory.
Okay, Phi. No, get him, get him, get him, get him, get him. I gotta get him, gotta get him. No, 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 no. Ah, darn it.
10 seconds.
I didn't get him. Yuga Wakateki no Kuru! I died. Again.
Cease your resistance.
Oh, we won. We won. We won. Yay. We did the winner do.
Play of the game.
Yay. Jack Rabbit has left the voice channel. Jack Rabbit has been saved. I did that. You see that? I helped. I did the helper. Woo. And they all left. See? Whoa, new. 5 gold medals earned. Man. Good man. Soldier. Yeah, whatever. Okay. Save the game, find another one. You know. Hello, Devers. Hi. Nice weather we're having.
Traveling to Hanamura.
Oh yes, it's a skirmish. Let's do the Widow. I'm terrible at the Widow, but the
One
Widow's
shot.
fun.
One kill.
Die, games! Rotting our youth brains! Don't shoot him, he's just doing push-ups.
Oh, yeah!
Alright, I'm moving out. I was not aiming for that. Aim subito. Va. Hail Overwatch.
Now entering King's Row.
That's like the... Never mind.
Prepare.
Now this is also a good map for Widow, but this time we're actually playing a game. And so, alright, this time... I want to go DPS this time. And with old friend Reapy Reapy. Death walks among you. You've got to be kidding me. I actually saw some, like, Nerf sawed-off shotguns the other day, and I totally want to buy 2 just so I can pretend to be Reaper. I mean, they're, like, kind of expensive, but, you know, it'd be worth it. And, like, I kind of want to do a full Reaper cosplay even, but that would be, like, it's kind of complex. Part of the thing is just the body armor. I've never made armor before. I've made cloaks. I've made, like, fancy embroidered cloaks. Yeah. If you guys don't know, have I ever mentioned I make my own cosplays? I don't know, maybe, maybe not. Whatever. But I've never made armor. I've never done anything beyond the sower do. I'm just gonna join the party up here. How's it going, guys?
Poor Winston.
Let's hide his face. That scared the children. They even think children are afraid of you. Oh yeah. Pixel. And here's where I wraith my way out. Bye y'all. I'm going off alone. I mean, it's kind of my thing. They're probably seeing me. They can see me. Can't they see me? Well, they didn't see me. The Genji saw me. He's waiting. Yeah. You did it premature, Genji. Yeah, well. Oh, yeah. I gotcha. Oh, gosh. I didn't see Widow there until too late. Okay, that was kind of funny, though. That was a funny death. Just shows up right in front of her. Oh, come on. Gold with one limb. Come on, guys.
Tactical necessity.
Be better than me. I'm not that great.
Can't be serious. I'm good to go.
Oh, there's a lot of batters over there. And they've noticed me.
I'm claiming this objective.
It's gonna be coming around here. Oh no, if it wasn't. That's a surprise. Hi there, friends. This is such a bad idea. Ill-conceived idea. But it's so fun. I haven't played this game in a while. But it's so fun when you don't really care what you're doing.
Heroes never die.
Oh, they all died. Oh wait, no, they didn't, because heroes never died.
Securing the point. Now show them.
I'm a tank shredder, yo. You can't take me. Yeah, boy. Die! Die! And then goes into the rave form at last second. Oh yeah. That was awesome. And I need a drink of water, but I also, like, you know, kind of need to do this. Okay. Let's do the sneaker do.
Greetings.
Escorting the payload.
I think he saw me. He turned this direction. Yeah, he definitely saw me. Darn it.
This will protect us.
Okay, now he stopped caring. But they're still there. But they see me, and they know what we're doing. But haha! There's someone there. Okay, I totally helped with that.
I'm ready to survive.
Diva! You're my typical main. But I am a tank destroyer if I am anything. I know you just use your deflect. You can't take me without your deflect. Ha 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 ha. He was hard to kill. He was a pro Genji. I can tell. It was a pro Genji. You saw it here first, guys. Ah!
I'm patched up.
What was that, Jack?
Impressive.
Thank you, Winston. Was that an angry monkey I heard? You go, angry monkey! Alright. So, Widow will probably be in her standard perch. But, let's see if maybe we can get there before her. I wish I had my, I wish I had my blosser do. Alright.
I'm ready to initiate self-destruct sequence.
Oh, darn it! That could have been so cool, and then it wasn't. I mean, I still think it was
Is my
pretty
curse.
cool. Pretty cool. This is your curse, an eternal life of pain and suffering? I hear you, Reapy. I'm in crouch mode. Why am I in crouch mode? Why didn't you guys move up at all? Oh yeah, shred it. And okay, I am dead now. I am charging in there way too much. But it's so much fun! I love charging in there.
This time, I'll finish the job.
I love charging in there. Makes me feel so cool.
Heroes never die.
Alright, let's go back up this way.
Ready to roll.
I know there's a soldier Jew up here. Whoa. And I died way too quickly because I was trying to take on a diva head on, which you really shouldn't do. Lesson learned from this game, guys, or from just in general.
I've got you in my sights.
Well, I won't say I'm not smart, but at the same time, I is a dumb. Surprisingly, that is not mutually exclusive.
This will protect us.
He's sneaking up behind us. He probably has a dragon blade or two. Oh, thank you, Merce. Thank you, Murmur. Did I just call Mercy Murmur? That's actually kind of cute. I like that. Told you he had a dragger. He had a dragger do. Alright. Die! 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 no. Darn it! I died again. But I had fun. That's what's important. But hey, Roman, winning the game is important too. Yeah. Vengeance shall be mine.
Heroes never die.
Yay! Is there a Jackerdoo up here? Jackerdoo? Jack! I had a crush on you, Jack, and you didn't reciprocate my... Jack had a healer. Anna, you always did take his side. They never let me be part of the clique. They used to. And then they, like, became too cool for me. Got their own statues. Repo depositioning. Die, Anna! Die! Haha! That is a Reinhardt crawling up my butt. They're gonna come around this corner. Told ya. Is my team dead? No, they're not dead. Why aren't they up there fighting? Okay, come on, guys. It'd be really sad if we can't point. She's a baby diva. Oh, come on. Kill the Reinhardt. Guys, yes, use the resurrect, please. Please. You didn't use the resurrect. Push it, guys. Okay, Mercy, don't die. Don't die, Mercy. We need you to not die. Thank you. So you can, yeah, you're the hero who never die.
Let's go.
He's too far away. And hey, not bad. Silver kills? I mean, for someone who was playing pretty dumb and just rushing in most of that game. Oh! Woohoo! Yeah! And then it ended with me dying. Thank you, Mercy. Thank you. Actually, maybe the Winston. That was a good Winston. Of course, my typical just, you know, trigger is to press commend the healer. You know what? I know I usually stop at 2, but really, I don't care about time. So I'm just gonna keep playing. Hello everyone. Yeah, I cut from there to here because there was a glitch in the. Actually, it's less of a glitch in the video and more of a glitch in life. Of suddenly, partway through a match, there was something I had to do, and so I don't really want to put up a partial match. So I just kind of jumped here, and yeah, it also meant, you know, stepping out on some of my teammates, which I feel like absolute shit about, but, you know, life happens. Even to people trying to record Overwatch videos. So I'm just gonna close my door now. And, right. Did it open itself again? I don't really care. Yeah, okay. So I'm also kind of disappointed because, it was a really good match I was playing. Oh, I had some great ult shutdowns. Oh, I was playing D.Va. You know, D.Va's my main. I play such a good D.Va. I was shutting down ults as baby D.Va. And then of course, eating ult says Big Diva. And then there's this really great ult that, you know, would be play the game, except I'm not gonna do Diva again. I feel like Diva just kind of got wasted for me. I want to go healer. I'm gonna go healer. Healer do. Probably would get play of the game, except, you know, probably shouldn't now because I quit the game. Hope it isn't possible to give play of the game believers. That would just be awkward. But oh man, it was such a good ult. Diva bombs, you know, they're not supposed to kill anyone, but I snuck up behind them and I fully killed 2 of them. 100.
I'm ready to kill.
That's good, Emily. It's nice. Oh boy. You guys don't want to just hear me groaning, do you? My parents are gonna wonder what the heck is wrong with me. But anyway. Main point is that it was a good match, and now I don't have the heart to show it to you guys because I don't want you guys to see me doing something as despicable as quitting on my team. Because, you know, I hate me for it. I hope they still won. They deserved every bit of it. This is... no! Holy... Stop! Guys! Oh my gosh! Okay, yeah, I know. You need healers. Yay! I'm doing something! How are you guys on health? Okay, good. I'll continue focusing on old Morty over here.
My ultimate is charging.
Oh yeah! Do you guys out here need healing? Yeah, you do. You need healing too. You all need healing. Okay. The people that needed healing died. So, you know. No, come on! No! Might have been a waste, but, you know. Oh, come on. You got Anabombed.
I'm capturing the objective.
Am I showing preference to this Roadhog? Yeah, but, you know, he's doing a lot of killing with my health. So... I say that I'm getting a lot of return for my healing investment. Alright, now let's see if we can get the hard objective. Get the sniper. You didn't get the sniper. No! I will not Yuga walk those take you walk arouse. Don't. Roadhog, don't run out. Even with my healing, you will probably not survive this. Oh, that was...
My servants never die.
He's not a very smart road.
Let's get you back out there.
He can self-heal also. But he needs help right now. Okay.
Did someone call for a witch?
Yeah, someone did. Everyone's calling for a witch right now.
Help me.
There's an arrow.
Spell is upon you.
An arrow guy, a Hansbo. Oh, thank you, Rhodey. You know what? No. Oh, thank you.
My servants never die.
Never die, servants. Oh, no. Oh, so much. Oh, but we got it. Woo. Okay. Right. well, that makes me feel better. That was a solid win. And I think I was doing some pretty good mercying there.
Play of the
I didn't keep everyone alive, but kept him alive. And he got a lot of kills because of it, you know? Got a lot of kills. I mean, wasn't with him here at this point, but I healed him up afterwards. You see that it was there for a bit. Oh look, so much healing done. But we're gonna. Oh, you gave it to me. Thanks. I gotta give it to him. What do you think, guys? One more game or leave on a high note? Leave on a high note? Nah, sure. Yeah, let's. Yeah. Okay. Well, that was fun. That about made up for the fact that I have to. Yeah, no, that was fun. Even because you know what, even the game that I had to leave out on was fun because I had fun before I had to leave out on it, and after that I felt terrible. But it was all things considered, it was still fun. So thank you very much for watching. If you know you watched it, which I mean, yeah, thanks a lot. If you're actually here. And if that means you're that committed to actually enjoying the words I am spitting out of my mouth to you and the stuff I am doing on this computer screen, why not subscribe? If hell, I mean, not sure what it would help with, but it would make me feel better if that's any compensation. So yeah, thanks a lot, and see you, and only you. You know who you are. Hey, I'm talking to you in the next video. Peace!